Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Monali Savrambai bringing to you the Salesian news across the globe. Don Bosco Rector Major of Salesians, Don Angel Fernandez Artime, has sent a message of thanks and encouragement to the alumni who, on the 24th to the 26th of June, will participate in digital mode in the 12th Congress of Alumni of Don Bosco of Asia and Oceania. Below is the text of your message. We must be moved by hope in all possible senses of this phrase, said the 10th successor of Don Bosco. June 27, 2021 marks the 80th anniversary of the martyrdom of 4 of the 12 Salesians belonging to the province San Jacinto of Poland, Krakow, arrested on the night of May 23, 1941 by Gestapo officers. This is Don Jan Sweek, 64 years old, parish priest, Don Ignacy Dobias, 61, parish vicar, Don Franciszek Harazim, 56, professor of theology, Don Kazimierz Wojciechowski, 37 years old, catechist. After a summary interrogation, although completely unrelated to any form of political propaganda, they were accused of participating in clandestine organizations and, even more seriously, of promoting among young people, exploiting the influence deriving from their priesthood, the national culture to the detriment of Nazi Germany. That was enough to merit torture and the Auschwitz concentration camp. The Basilica of Mary Help of Christians in Turin is the flagship of the original oratory of Don Bosco in Valdocco. Built between 1863 and 1868, it was literally a dream come true for Don Bosco. Born as a space of worship for the boys of the oratory, it became the center of the newborn Salesian congregation, and today it is the beating spiritual heart of the World Salesian family. Last March, the coordinators of the Salesian family of the SUE province, East and Canada, asked Don Mike Pace, SDB Deputy Director of the Casa Don Bosco Museum, to prepare a virtual tour on the Basilica. It was an invitation to me to make the Basilica and Our Lady of Don Bosco better known and loved, commented Don Pace. So now there is a virtual guided tour currently in English and with Italian and Korean subtitles, but soon also in Spanish that explores the various threads that intertwine to make the Basilica a magnificent tapestry of Marian and Salesian history, spirituality and devotion. On 18th and 19th June, Salesians trainees from the Provincial Conference of the South gathered on the Zoom platform to share experiences and deepen the themes of accompaniment and discernment. The 11 first and second year students from Argentina, Chile, Paraguay and Uruguay began the meeting with a moment of prayer and then shared the personal experiences lived in this very particular reality marked by the pandemic within the framework of the experience of initial Salesian information. The following day, the directors of the communities welcoming the Salesians in this stage of formation joined the meeting and, divided into groups, the themes of accompaniment and discernment were addressed. The meeting was organized by the delegates for the formation of the region. One of the first groups welcomed in Valdocco after the relaxation of the restrictions for the containment of the pandemic was that of the Salesians of the province of Slovenia, SLO, who arrived in Turin for the annual spiritual exercises. From 6th to 12th June, accompanied by the inspector Don Marco Koznik, the Salesians of SLO were able to benefit from the welcome in a renewed Valdocco, follow the thoughts on the following of Christ of the preacher Don Bogdan Koller, SDB, professor of ecclesial history at the Faculty of Theology of Ljubljana and delegate to the CG28, and live a deep spiritual experience with the guidance of Don Enrico Lupano, SDB, on the places where Don Bosco's Salesian charism arose. On June 19th, in the Church of the Exaltation of the Holy Cross in Rumia, Monsignor Zygmunt Zielinski, Auxiliary Bishop of the Archdiocese of Gdansk, ordained the Salesian Mikhail Zeski. The 16 Salesian works of the visitor San Giuseppe of Sri Lanka LKC, with the supervision and monitoring of the Don Bosco Development Center, have distributed food and health kits to poor families and those families infected with COVID-19. Each Salesian community has selected about 150 families in the neighborhood to distribute the kits following the health directives issued by the Ministry of Health. In addition, Don Prasad Kalaparthi, Executive Director, coordinated an awareness program with various communities. The alumni of Don Bosco of Hungary, who are about to find their national association, have given an interview to the President of the World Confederation of Exile-Levi, Michal Hort. Yesterday, June 24th, Don Bosco's onomastic feast and the 151st anniversary of the symbolic birth of the Exile-Levi, which is tracked back to the famous gift of coffee cups to Don Bosco by Carlo Gastini and the other ancient students of the Oratory of Valdocco, we publish some experts. The extraordinary awards of specific professional training of middle and higher degree are the official recognition of the merits of the students who have brilliantly studied this educational stage. This year, Salesianos Acloy is in luck, since the Generalitat Valenciana has awarded the extraordinary prize of professional training of medium degree in the family transport and maintenance of vehicles of the course 2019 to 2020 to the student Ricardo Sanchez Garcia. Ricardo Sanchez Garcia is a native of Boquerón, enrolled in the Salesians of Juan 23rd in the 2018 to 2029 academic year to study the CFGM electromechanics of vehicles, in addition to showing a lot of interest in the automotive world and highlighting his good grades. The young man always has time to help his colleagues and participate in any event that the center organized. So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.